So why would somebody want to come to Cofactor? What would make you the right company to work with?
The number one thing is the ability to be fluid, right? And just take whatever comes at you and say, hey, let's go forward, let's move here, let's shift, let's go this way, let's go that way. In the time that I started working at 15 till now, it's a whole different landscape, and we just keep changing and adapting to whatever we need to do, right? That's where somebody could come and work here and feel like they're part of a team, feel like the leadership really cares about them more than they do anything else, and that they're gonna get the knowledge, they're gonna get the education, the training, the support. I have some really big plans of making this place the best place to work for in North Texas.